Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix TikTok not saving videos. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and search for the TikTok. And you need to update your TikTok application. As you can see, my TikTok is up to date. Then you simply need to go into your smartphone settings. So let me open settings and go into the app management and click on app list and search for the TikTok, and you need to clear storage and cache. Once you've done that, you simply need to go back and check your internet speed. Sometimes this issue happen if you have a poor internet speed, so from here you can check your internet speed as well. Once you've done that, you simply need to go back and open TikTok and click here and save a video, but you still find an issue. You simply need to go onto the profile, click on three bars, click on settings and privacy. Here you need to click on privacy again, scroll down, and here you can see downloads. You simply need to allow this as well, video download. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.